Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. So in this video, we are going to analyze the Nifty index and the Bank Nifty index. What has been happening in the past past 1 week, and what could be expected in the upcoming weeks. So basically, the last week has been a little brutal. Um, there has been a heavy sell-off, and if you compare this green move, this up move, this is more brutal than the up move. Okay, and we have to we have to wait and see if the market will continue to fall, or if the market will recover, because it is very important to note that last Friday the US markets went up because of the unemployment data, which came better than estimated. So the markets went up, SPX went up. So obviously the Nifty should also be recovering a bit. And because I don't see any major negative news as of now, even the crude oil, if you look at it, it has been falling nicely. So if the crude oil falls, it's good for India. And the USD INR, if you look at it, it is coming down. It formed a top, and it is currently falling down. So what I'm hoping is we can look for long based setups for next week. This doesn't mean that you blindly buy some Nifty or Bank Nifty. You have to wait for the setups, and you have to follow certain techniques, because what I've seen recently is all the analysis video that I've done for certain stocks, people are blindly buying without any research, and I don't want that. And make sure to follow all the rules. And yeah, I will be looking for some longs, but I make sure that it comes within my setup. So even if the market goes up, and if it does not come within my setup, I don't take trades. If you not I mean not you cannot notice it, but last 2 weeks I did not take any option trade, even in this up move. If you notice, I did not post any profit videos or anything, any post in my Instagram, because I did not take any trade. I was not very comfortable with longing this area, because there was no reason as to why I should go long. Just because there is a huge green candle, I can't go long. There has to be certain uh, reasons that there has to be some reasons for me to go long, and there were no reasons for me. So even same goes for the short. I don't short just because it is falling down. I need some patterns, or solid candlestick confirmation, which I didn't get for the past 2-3 weeks. So I'm still waiting. Probably next week I'll be looking for long setups next week, and for the stocks. And I don't think I'll take a trade in Nifty, because I'm not very comfortable with taking a trades on Nifty as of now. We never know how things will turn. And let's look at Bank Nifty. uh, where is Bank Nifty? Okay, even the Bank Nifty fall has been very brutal, right? So this is the trend line. It fell off this trend line, it kind of recovered, and again the volatility is very huge. If you compare this candlestick price action, and if you compare this area, the volatility is very huge, and I don't know why. Let's see. I have not, as I said, I have not taken any trades even in this huge up move. I didn't find any setup, so I did not take any long. So I wait for my setup, and I don't take trades that often like other option buyers. My style and the techniques that I follow, they are quite unorthodox, and I just wait for my setup. I haven't found a very comfortable setup. Nevertheless, last week we traded in Tech Mahindra. We shorted in options, and we made some good money. But for the next week, I'll be looking for long setups. Even you could have a look at certain banks, and take up some trades. So that would be all. Yeah, I think we have to wait for Monday and to see if there is some recovery. If there is some recovery, you can go through some stocks and see if there is a breakout or something like that. You don't have to take a trade right away on Monday itself, or right away when the market opens. I have seen many people, they take trades desperately just because they have been waiting for to in the weekends they are bored and they want to take up a trade as soon as the market opens. Don't do that mistake. You can wait and see how the market is doing. And yeah, that would be all, guys. So see you soon with another video. Just please make sure to like this video and also comment something. And thank you so much.